Money is like water. If you let it sit idle, it evaporates. But if you channel it wisely, it flows into rivers of opportunity. Investing isn't just about wealth, it's about discipline, vision, and freedom. Inflation eats your savings like termites in wood. Investing is the armor that protects your future. It's not about greed, it's about growth, the quiet power of compounding. Stocks are like roller coasters, thrilling, risky, but rewarding if you stay strapped in for the long ride. Systematic investment plans are like planting seeds every month. Small drops, big ocean. Discipline beats timing. Bricks and mortar are more than walls. They are silent soldiers guarding your wealth. Gold is the timeless guardian. Empires rise and fall, but gold never loses its shine. Bonds are the calm river, steady, predictable, not flashy, but reliable. Investing is not just about money, it's about patience, resilience, and faith in tomorrow. The market tests your nerves, but rewards your discipline. Wealth is not built in a day, it's built every day. Don't just save, invest. Don't just dream, act. Your future self will thank you for the seeds you plant today because wealth isn't built by chance, it's built by choice.